Hey everybody, my name is Sarah and I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. So first up, just open any picture that you would like to remove something. I would prefer any posters where you want to remove any text, or any picture where you want to remove any other object or clone something and like paste it in another area of the same picture. So I have my picture ready. This is a scanned poster from my planner, and I'm just going to create a duplicate of my background because if anything goes wrong, I'm just gonna, go back. I can fix it. You can convert it to a layer as well if you want. So now in my background copy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all click on this clone stamp tool. You're going to get a brush. I'm just going to quickly zoom in. Okay, so now we're ready to use it. So first off, if you click on it without just like that, you're not going to be able to use it because it says that you need to define an area. And for that, you need to click on the Alt option on Windows or the Option key on your Mac. So we're going to define a source point, and I'm going to click on Alt because I'm on Windows, and I'm going to click on this area kind of close to the text because I want the area to look like the text was never there. So I want it to be like match as close as possible. So this is my reference point, and I'm just going to click on it, and you see how that text is gone? Just like that. You could swipe over it as well, but when you like click or swipe, there's going to be this plus sign that you have, and as you move your brush, the plus sign is going to move as well. So for example, if I do a swiping motion, I'm just going to show you. If I do a swiping motion, the plus sign is moving along, and wherever the plus sign goes, that's what it's gonna brush. So you see, so you have to be a little bit careful about that. That's why I just like to do it in just like smaller motions because it's easier for me. And yeah, just keep on defining your source point using this button each time, and you will get a flawless result. And I personally love using this tool. I've been using it a lot on my final project as well. It's so helpful if I have any mountains and there's like a pole in between. I just get rid of the pole, and it just looks like the pole was never there. Now you could do this with a smaller brush. So I would just increase and decrease my brush size as I want to using the square brackets. I use the left square bracket to decrease the brush size and the right square bracket to increase the brush size. And yeah, I'm just going to click on spacebar and move around, and Control plus and Control minus to zoom in when required. And yeah, just do Control Z as well if I don't like how it looks. Like now there's like some text shadows. I'm just going to click on Control Z. And one thing I do want to point out is that which I forgot to mention in the beginning, is that you want to make sure you're using a soft round brush, because you don't want to use a hard round brush because it would just look very hard and it would have like hard edges. And also make sure your hardness is not too high. Mine is at around 24%. I just do this so that my like the areas that I have cloned, they don't look very fake. I want it to look natural. I want it to blend in perfectly. So that is what I'm doing. And again, you can go ahead and I'm just going to decrease my brush size here. You can go ahead and use a bigger brush size if you want. I just prefer using medium-sized brushes. But yeah, looks like I have some texts over here that were not gone properly, so I'm just going to fix that. And keep on referencing your source point each time, because that is very important. And I'm just going to quickly go around this and probably increase my brush size to make it quicker. Go here as well. Whoopsies. And there you have it. Now, I know it looks a little bit funny from back, but you can just go ahead and make it more like natural and blend it out a little more. And yeah, there you have it. And this is how I use the clone stamp tool. I hope that all of you have a great day.